Welcome to our next tutorial on seamless payment solutions. It is as important as providing great service. Guests expect their experience to be smooth from start to finish, and that includes how they pay for their stay, meal, or event. So, let's break it down in simple terms. What are seamless payment solutions, and how can they benefit your hospitality business? Now let's look at seamless payment solutions, which make paying easy, fast, and secure. Think of it as removing all the hassles of traditional payment methods like cash or old-fashioned card readers. These solutions use modern technology to allow guests to pay how they want, whether it's online, on their phone, or in person. Okay, let's look at why are seamless payment solutions important. Here's why they matter. 1. Convenience for guests. People want quick and easy options. If paying is complicated, it could sour their overall experience. 2. Faster transactions. No more long queues at the front desk or restaurant counter. Quick payments mean more efficiency for you and less waiting for your customers. 3. Increased security. Modern payment systems protect sensitive customer data, reducing the risk of fraud or theft. 4. Better guest satisfaction. Guests remember a smooth process and are more likely to return or recommend your business to others. Now let's explore some options you can use, like online payment gateways. These are tools that let guests pay when they book online. Popular systems like Stripe or PayPal integrate with your website, offering a secure and user-friendly experience. Next, let's look at contactless payments. Guests love tap-to-pay options using credit cards, smartwatches, or mobile wallets. It's fast, hygienic, and widely adopted. Now let's look at point of sale, which are known as POS. Systems. Modern POS systems in hotels and restaurants combine payment processing with inventory management. Think of them as the all-in-one solution for handling transactions. Next, mobile payments. These allow guests to pay through apps or QR codes, whether they're in their room or dining at your establishment. It's convenient and keeps everything digital. Carrying on, we can take a look at subscription services or membership payments. If your business offers loyalty programs or memberships, recurring payment solutions ensure customers stay signed up without any manual effort. In this next section, we can look at evaluating your needs, such as what type of services do you offer? If it's primarily online bookings, an online payment gateway is a must. For in-person interactions, invest in a reliable POS system. Now, choose the right provider for your system. Compare payment processors based on fees, features, and compatibility with your current system. Examples include Square, Stripe, or WorldPay. Then, you will need to integrate the system by working with your tech team or payment provider to ensure the solution integrates smoothly with your website, app, or in-house software. Now you can test the system before rolling it out. Test it in different scenarios to ensure it works as expected. For example, try processing a refund or splitting a payment. It is important to train your staff and make sure your team understands how to use the new system and troubleshoot basic issues. Confidence and knowledge will enhance the guest experience. Next, let's look at the benefits for your hospitality business with streamlined operations. You will find staff spend less time handling payments and more time focusing on guests with higher conversion rates. Then, guests are less likely to abandon the bookings if they can pay easily. This will improve the cash flow with payments processed instantly, so you don't have to wait for funds to clear. You will find the future of payments in the hospitality industry are evolving, and so are payment technologies. You should look out for trends like biometric payments, e.g., paying with a fingerprint, or cryptocurrencies as new options for forward-thinking businesses. In conclusion, you should look to taking the first step to seamless payment solutions. This isn't just about keeping up with the times. It's about improving your business and making your guests happy. Whether it's installing a POS system or integrating an online payment gateway, the key is to choose solutions that match your needs and provide a stress-free experience for everyone involved. Start small, think smart, and watch your hospitality services reach new heights. To stay updated on all our latest videos, make sure to subscribe so you're notified as soon as new content is available. For additional information or specific inquiries, feel free to reach out to us directly to services@stayforyou.com. We're here to help with all your hospitality property needs.